Hello, English language learners. Welcome to another video. In this video, we will look at the differences between two English words that look very similar. They are specially and especially. What's the difference? Let's have a look. The similarities with these two words are that they're both adverbs. Remember that an adverb describes the action of a verb. They also both mean particularly. Particularly. So how are they different apart from the spelling? Let's examine each one. The word specially is usually reserved for speaking about a special purpose or a special use for something. So when you hear the word specially, I want you to try to remember specific purpose. Let's look at an example. This pen was specially made for me for my 16th birthday. We're talking about the pen, but more specifically, how it was made. So the verb in this case is made. How was it made? It was made specially, in particular, for a specific purpose or use for me. So we use the word specially for a very particular and special purpose or use. Let's look at another example. We had the house specially made for wheelchair access. So we're talking about the design of the house being specially for the purpose and the use for the access of people who use a wheelchair. Now let's have a look at the word especially. The word especially refers to exceptional cases above similar options. So we use the word especially in English when we are comparing something to other items or other circumstances and making it exceptional or above the others. So one thing is selected, preferred above others. Let's look at an example. We especially like eating chocolate cake for dinner. Delicious. The verb is to enjoy, to like eating, and we especially like eating chocolate cake, meaning we could eat a number of other things after dinner, but especially chocolate cake stands out as something we like to eat above other options of dessert. Let's look at the next example. We were impressed with all the singers, especially the last duo. So we were impressed with everybody, all of the people who sang, but especially, exceptionally, above all the other singers, we enjoyed the last duo. So the last duo is exceptional and preferred above the rest. Did you catch the difference between specially for a special use and purpose and especially above all others? So let's drive the point home. With the word specially, we're talking about a target. We're talking about a goal. We're talking about a special purpose, a special use, something in particular that stands out. When we talk about especially, I've separated the E to show you for a visual cue that it's one thing that stands out above the others. Let's drive the point home further. We bought flowers specially for Jessica. The purpose of us buying flowers was especially for Jessica. It means that we had her specifically in mind. We could modify the sentence a little bit by saying, we bought the flowers especially for Jessica. This means out of all the other ladies, we bought it for her as the exception, above the others. We are saying especially for her. So there is that exception, that expectation that there could have been flowers purchased for others, but especially they were purchased for Jessica. Let's check our learning. Maria loves traveling to Mexico, to the southern regions. Which word fits better in this sentence? Especially or especially? Especially. Above all the places around Mexico that Maria loves traveling to, she especially enjoys the southern regions. The southern regions stand out above all of her travel enjoyment across Mexico. Here's another one. The beach is beautiful in the summertime. The answer is especially. The beach is especially beautiful in the summertime. Do you know why it's especially? It's especially because of the summertime. Above all other seasons of the year, the beach is especially beautiful in the summertime. What about this one? The concert tickets were bought for Anna on her birthday. Specially or especially? The concert tickets were specially bought for Anna on her birthday because it was for a special purpose. The special purpose was her birthday celebration. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a clearer understanding between the two words, specially and especially. Have a good day. Bye-bye.